The Mermaid. On 2 springs, the footbar up, kneel against the shoulder blocks. The bottom knee does not have to be directly against the shoulder blocks. Hand is in the center of the bar. Take the other arm out to the side. Press the carriage out from the armpit, from the waistline, from the control of the Powerhouse, and then return back home to lift the opposite arm off. Take the arm by the ear, holding the shoulder block to bow over to the other side. Repeat this movement, holding onto the block, lifting up and out of the waistline to stretch up and over 3 times. And on the last one, we can add a variation, reaching the footbar arm up to the ear, wrapping it around the head so that it touches the opposite ear, and then bowing the elbow down towards the shoulder block, opening back to the front, reaching the arm out to the side, and then home. Switch, taking the legs into a teaser in between and tucking the knees against the shoulder blocks. Again, knee does not have to be directly under into the block. Take one hand onto the bar and press from the Powerhouse to move the carriage out. Return up so that both arms can lift off the bar simultaneously, then holding the block, bring the arm up and over. Repeat 3 times, bowing over towards the bar, lifting both arms off and lifting the waistline, and then stretching up and over. And on the last one, we add the variation. Stretch up and over towards the bar, come all the way up, lifting off the bar, take the hand all the way around to the ear, bow forward towards the block, towards the knees, open out again, reach the arm over towards the well, and then open the arms to the side.